Alright, some of you wanted to know about this NFT system that I had set up, and I found my old video when we were going to move, and when I broke it down I kind of went over it, so it's only a couple of minutes, but it gives you the basics. And this worked really well. You can set it up just about any way you want, and we set it in different parts of our yard over the years until we found like the best spot, which was on our porch here. But over the years, we had it on the side of the house and the back, even in the greenhouse. It's really easy to move. It's easy to put together, and I use silicone so I can take it back apart. So here are the basics. If you got any questions, just ask. I'll be happy to help you. But I'm gonna break this down. I'll tell you the peacocks got on there and messed it up, so it's a little dirty because they sat up on the top and pooped and it got into here, the reservoir, so I have to clean it out. So we're going to be moving, so I'm just going to break it down. But I thought before I take it all apart, I'll just show y'all because some of y'all still had questions. But that's just PVC pipe, 4-inch PVC you can get in the store. That's a little elbow, 90-degree elbow, and then that's like a 1-foot piece. You can do this any configuration you want as long as you got the water will go on a slope and drain all the way down. And you can see where the light's coming through. There's holes drilled in it. Like we said, and it comes over here. The water just drops right back down into this big reservoir. That's 100-gallon. You can see there's a drain so it doesn't overflow. Let's see if we can get in here where it's dark. See, I got a little drain on that side. This only goes up about halfway. I put about 50 gallons in there, but that seems to keep it at a nice temperature. It never gets really hot. And this is just a barbecue grill cover. I just toss on top, and as you can see, there's no algae in there. You know, it's like we said, it's peacock poop. You know, we've got to clean it up, but you can see it's not green. There's no algae at all. So as long as you keep it covered and you keep the light out, you keep the algae out. And all of these guys, you know, they just got a little 2-inch hole cut on them. You know, and kind of like our downspouts, except that we just have a pump. It can pump to a height of 6 feet. That's why I have it coming up here. And I'll just stick it in that hole. Sometimes I'll drill a hole in the end, but I like to just pop it right in one of those holes, tie it on there with a bungee cord, turn it on, and that's it. So I got a cap on this end just in case the roots get so big and it starts to back up, it doesn't drip out this end. So that's what that cap's for. But a nice simple system. I just put some 4x4s up, screwed a little scab on to hold them, holding it with a little bungee cord. You know, it depends on where you live and how high your winds get, you know, if it's going to blow it around or anything, but you know, that seems to hold. You can tie it on really good. You can get the joist hangers and actually screw it to the 4x4. So all different kinds of ways to do it, but just thought I'd show you that before I break it down. It's time to get dirty. Keep on growing.